my dear friends, welcome you all on my YouTube channel Learn Spanish with Nets. In my previous video you have learned the numbers from 21 to 50 in Spanish. In today's lesson you are going to learn the numbers from 51 to 100 in Spanish. So let's start. 51, we say in Spanish 51, 51. Let's repeat after me. 51. 52. We say in Spanish 52. 52. Let's repeat after me. 52. 53. We say in Spanish 53. 53. 54. We say in Spanish 54. 54. Repeat after me. 54. 55. We say in Spanish 55. 55. Repeat after me. 55. 56. We say in Spanish 56. 56. Repeat after me. 56. 57. We say in Spanish 57. 57. Repeat after me. 57. 58. We say in Spanish 58. 58. Repeat after me. 58. 59. We say in Spanish 59. 59. Repeat after me. 59. And 60. We say in Spanish 60. 60. Repeat after me. 60. Now from 61 to 70. 61. We say in Spanish 61. 61. Repeat after me. 61. 62. We say in Spanish 62. 62. Repeat after me. 62. 63. We say in Spanish 63. 63. 64. We say in Spanish 64. 64. Repeat after me. 64. 65. We say in Spanish 65. 65. 66. We say in Spanish 66. 66. Repeat after me. 66. 67. We say in Spanish 67. 67. Repeat after me. 67. 68. We say in Spanish 68. 68. Repeat after me. 68. 69. We say in Spanish 69. 69. Repeat after me. 69. And 70. We say in Spanish 70. Repeat after me. 70. Now let's see the numbers from 71 to 80 in Spanish. 71. We say in Spanish 71. 70. Look, here you can understand 60 is 60 and 70 is 70. So here the difference of sa and ta. So please be careful. Now continue. 71. 71. 71. 71. Repeat after me. 71. 72. 72. 72. Repeat after me. 72. 73. We say in Spanish 73. 73. Repeat after me. 73. 74. We say in Spanish, 74. 74. Repeat after me. 74. 75. We say in Spanish, 75. 75. Repeat after me. 75. 76. 76. We say in Spanish, 76. 76. Repeat after me. 76. 77. We say in Spanish, 77. 77. Repeat after me. 77. 78. We say in Spanish, 78. 78. Repeat after me. 78. 79. We say in Spanish, 79. 79. Repeat after me. 79. And 80. We say in Spanish, 80. 80. Repeat after me. 80. Now 81 to 90 in Spanish. 81. We say in Spanish, 81. 81. Let's repeat after me. 81. 82. We say in Spanish, 82. 82. Repeat after me. 82. 83. We say in Spanish, 83. 83. Repeat after me. 83. 84. We say in Spanish, 84. 84. Repeat after me. 84. 85. 85. 85. Repeat after me. 85. 86. We say in Spanish, 86. 86. Repeat after me. 86. 87. 87. We say in Spanish, 87. 87. Repeat after me. 87. 88. We say in Spanish, 88. 88. Repeat after me. 88. Now 89. We say in Spanish, 89. 89. Repeat after me. 89. 90. We say in Spanish, 90. 90. Repeat after me. 90. Now 91 to 100. 91. We say in Spanish, 91. 91. Repeat after me. 91. 92. We say in Spanish, 92. 92. Repeat after me. 92. 93. We say in Spanish, 93. 93. 93. 94. We say in Spanish, 94. 94. Repeat after me. 94. 95. We say in Spanish, 95. 95. Repeat after me. 95. 96. 96. 96. Repeat after me. 96. Next, 97. We say in Spanish, 97. 97. Repeat after me. 97. 98. We say in Spanish, 98. 98. Repeat after me. 98. 99. 99. We say in Spanish, 99. 99. Repeat after me. 99. And 100. We say in Spanish, 100. Repeat after me. 100. 100. If you want to watch this number series in Hindi, so please write and comment. I'll make the video for my friends who wants to learn the numbers from Hindi to Spanish. Please like this video if you like it. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And if you are new here, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on a bell icon. See you in my next video. Adios.